was relevance in what he was saying, especially when you think about how this connects to the startup ecosystem. How he has started the journey back in the days. The time marker is there, the place is there, the setting was there, the twist in the plot, the lesson learned. And these are really key issues to look at when we talk about stories. And this is something I want. How can you capture the attention? How can you engage venture capitalists, business angels, co-founders with stories? How can they see the pain that you went through in developing that? How did you go from the idea phase, the problem phase, to the idea phase, to the point where you prototype? How can we see that reflecting in your product? How can we see that reflecting in your service? This is the goal, and this is what we want to keep working. And this is something that we want to do here. At least the basic ones we've learned, to actually practice on them. That we go out, that Timo is in the office tomorrow and is telling to the student, I went to this workshop and see, I met this man and I met Jessica and I was like, look at that. And Jessica is saying, now we're going to communicate our strategy better. Can someone please tell me a story about how they have been able to contribute their own little part in making this team what it is today? Please, I start. When we make that a strategy, over time, we would always carry our people along and they will be forced to move with us.